welcome back to the Militos Auto blog. So if you're not subscribed on this channel, please subscribe. So apparently you'll be asking me the Xterra. So I want to start the rebuild. Actually, there's a towing van here, or tow truck, that's going to take the car out and then take it to where it's getting a new engine. Probably we'll be able to get the new engine and all of that. So I'm starting this series to be able to document the processing of the build, and then you know how it's being done and all of that. So out to go. Hopefully we'll see this car coming back alive next time. Stay tuned, we'll film all the processes, and you know, she's gone.